Hi everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss about Swagger and actuators. Okay, first I will start with the Swagger. So, what is Swagger? Swagger is open source tooling ecosystem which is used to generate documentation for REST APIs. Okay, the goal of Swagger is to define standard interface to our REST APIs, which allows both the humans and computers to discover and understand the capabilities of the service without access the source code. Okay. Previously, to add the Swagger dependency, we need to configure, but the latest version we no need to configure. Okay. I will get the Swagger dependency from the browser. I was given Spring Boot OpenAPI dependency. I was copying, and I will go to sorry pom.xml. Just I will paste the dependency. I am formatting. I am giving Control Shift F, format. I am saving. By adding this one dependency is enough. So we will access the our Swagger UI. Okay. I was added. I am run as Spring Boot app. By using Swagger, will get the UI, and if any UI team or any testing person, they will ask us to provide the details of our APIs, we will give them the Swagger documentation. Okay. See, we can able to see table is created. The last table created when I was deleted. So now again it was created. We will go and check our table is created. In our table, there is no data. So we will go to our browser and we will use Swagger. By using Swagger, we will add the data. Localhost 9090 Swagger -UI /index.html. We can able to see all our API set here. Okay. We will check the post API. Maximize, try it out. See, we can able to see all our entity fields set here. Product ID, product name, product category is available, product price. Okay. So this is request body in the application.json by default. Okay. Product ID will generate automatically. So I am removing this one, and product name I will give as mobile. Product category, electronics. It is available. Yes, it is available. The cost is double type and giving 15,000 rupees. So I was given data. The type. So I am hitting exclude, execute. What will happen? We got one created and we are getting response body. Response body, product ID, and all the response body we got. Verify it to the MySQL table. See, product ID is available and category and name price we got. So by this we will use Swagger. Okay. We are using post. We can able to use put get delete also. Okay. I will going to check the all products. Okay. I am expanding it just to try it out. Execute. See, currently we have only one product, so we got one product. So we can able to use Swagger interface. Now, if any third party person or any UI team person or any testing person, they will ask us to provide the details about our REST APIs. So that time we will generate the Swagger documents. How to generate the Swagger? The dependency adding one is enough to generate the Swagger doc. Now, I'm giving URL localhost :9090 port number /v3 API docs. We can able to see all our REST API details in the JSON schema format. OpenAPI 3.1 version, this is, and our port number, our URL path, our endpoint name, update product by ID, request body, response body, uh, all save product one, get product by ID, all products, delete by ID. So at the end, we can see component schemas about our product entity class, product properties, the type, that format, uh, product name, category, available, product price. Okay, if any UAT person will ask us now, we can able to give this URL to them. They can able to find out the our API details. This is what about Swagger. Okay, just adding one dependency enough, we will achieve the Swagger UI and the Swagger documentation. Okay, then next we will go to actuator concept, Spring Boot Actuators. Okay, Spring Boot Actuators is one of the powerful features introduced in Spring Boot. Okay, actuators are used to monitor and manage our application. Actuators are giving production ready features for our boot application. By using actuators, we can manage and monitor our Spring Boot application. So, how to implement these actuators, we will see. Now I am stopping my application. So already we created application, right? Now after creating the application, how to add dependency. For Swagger, I was copied from the browser, but Actuator is already available in the my STS tool. So right to add the dependencies after creating the application, I will show you. Right click on the project, Spring, add starters. Here we can type actuators. We got Spring Boot actuators. Next, we can select pom.xml, finish. Okay, adding dependency, we can able to see Spring Boot starter actuator. Adding these dependencies enough to monitor and manage our tools. But we want to get all the actuators. We will get only default one. We'll confirm. Sorry, our application is not running. If we run, we can able to see actuators, Spring Boot app, and running. Server is up on the port number 9090. Here, localhost colon 9090/actuators. We can able to see actuators. This is the default one. But total 13 actuators, total 14, 13 is the useful one, and last one is the shutdown. That also useful one will be total 14 actuators. All 13 are the get APIs. That last one is the mapped with the post one, HTTP post method. Okay. To get our remaining also, we have to give one property in the application, that properties file. I am starting my application. I will give the property management dot endpoints dot web dot exposure include. Okay. Whatever we want, we can able to give directly. If you want health, I will configure health and beans. We can, if I give explicitly health beans now, we will get only those. If you want all the actuators, we have to give star. Okay, by this we cannot get all the actuators. It's saved. Now I will try to run our application. I can run as Spring Boot app. See, Spring Boot application is running on the port number 9090. I'm going to browser. Now I will refresh. Now we got all our actuators. I will make it format. See, we can able to got all the actuators. If we want, we can go and we check. See, I want the environment about environments. Open new tab, environment. We got all the data in the JSON format, server.port, command line argument, server context with parameters. Okay, we can able to check all. Okay, this is about actuators. We can get means, wages, health, and our application info, condition. Okay, thread dump, metrics, and scheduled task. We can able to get here. I will see scheduled tasks. Scheduled tasks. What we have currently, we are not scheduled any cron jobs. Okay, so that it is showing empty. When we close these tabs, we can see the last endpoint, actuator endpoint shutdown. Okay, to achieve that one, we need to configure that in our application that properties management dot endpoint dot shutdown enabled true. Okay, I am saving control is mobile running my Spring Boot application. Default Tomcat server is up on the port number 9090. Okay, we'll go to our actuators. We got I. Here we can able to see shutdown also. I will hit shutdown. I copied, open the tab, giving shutdown. See, we are getting error page. Okay. To get it, we have to hit the shutdown endpoint from the post method. Okay, post method. So that I will currently we can see our application is running. I will hit the shutdown endpoint from the postman. Okay, depending postman, I was given post HTTP localhost 9090 actuators shutdown. I'm hitting send. We got message as a shutting down by. This was I was not given by default. Spring Boot is giving the response message. Okay, we will open and we'll see. See, our application is shutdown completed. I was not stopped from the STS. Okay, this is about actuators. So we tested all called operations using Swagger, which operation worked correctly. And that's it. We confirmed that our Spring Boot application is integrated with Swagger successfully. And we also monitored our application using actuators. If you found this is helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Spring Boot tutorials. Thank you, everyone. Bye.